Hey, I wanted to share how this process works so y'all can start to pay attention in how this starts to show up in your world. In the workbook you're going to get with all the steps that I've recorded a video on, I had mentioned that I love to garden and wanted to generate an income stream from gardening. And a funny thing happened. I've been taking yoga on the beach and I've been putting in peppermint in my water. And someone asked me like, hey, where did you get this peppermint? This is so cool that you have it in your water bottle. And I was like, wow, look at that. So from something I wrote down, now someone is asking me and willing to pay me for my idea. So it is so powerful when you write down your ideas and become and embody this energy where you are willing to receive contribution from everywhere. And that is what this process really allows you to see, that you're not trying to figure this out on your own. It's all about honoring your ideas, honoring who you are, showing up in the world, having fun, loving who you are, and knowing that you are contributed to. You are not here to do this alone. And that was so beautiful when that happened to me. So I can't wait for the same thing or even greater to show up in your life.